former President Duterte calling the House of Representatives the most rotten. Yan ang quote niya, the most rotten institution in government. As he basically said na si Speaker Martin daw, syempre binibigyan ng pondo kung sino-sino lahat ng mga congressmen, ganito, ganyan. Do you agree, as former chairman of the Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission?
Well, unang-una, I have to, you have to understand the president. Nasaktan yung ating Pangulo na tatay ng ating Vice President na object at subject ngayon ng controversy na ini-insinuate sa tao na corrupt. Kaya nasaktan yung tao kasi hindi naman corrupt si Ma'am Sara, hindi naman corrupt si Vice President. Kilala ko po yung pamilya niyan. I'm not as close to her as I am to his father, pero in the few times that we have met and I've spoken to her, and from among the people na kaibigan ko na works with her and knows her, and me knowing of her, mahigpit tong tao yan stricta. Hindi mo nga makausap ng hanap buhay, love life, makakausap mo siya, magpapatawa siya, pero yung pondo, yung conduct sa opisina, mahigpit na tao po yan. So, para kasi ini-insinuate sa media, whoever it is coming from, and I have no evidence who is, maraming insinuation, pero I don't wanna deal with, talk about speculations, para ini-insinuate na corrupt siya, mali naman po yun. Hindi naman corrupt hindi ko corrupt yan si VP Inday at si Pangulong Duterte. Hindi ko mapasok siya. Kaya nasasaktan. So, of course, yan. Di gustong politikahin niya. Sige, di maglabasan tayo ng baho. Diba? Parang ganun sinasabi ng Pangulong Duterte. So, sa atin po bilang Pilipino, ako gusto ko yun. Dahil malalaman natin ang katotohanan at ang katotohanan will serve us all the best.